This is a review of the E7 noise cancellation headphones that I would definitely recommend. These headphones, you can see here, it's the color red, and one of the the features I want to talk about is that it is super comfortable, it's super soft, and super lightweight. It's not a whole lot of weight. Now, you guys do know there's some headphones out there that weigh a lot. This one, on the other hand, it does not weigh a lot. I love the quality of it. It's very high quality. You can see that metal steel it has, and also the beautiful red color adds a very good texture to it as well too. These headphones are adjustable as well too, so you could adjust it to pretty much however your liking is. Like, you could go all the way up, and then it could go all the way down, like you see on that side right here. Over here we have the user instruction manual guide, and then right here we have the charger cable right here. Like, I do want to mention that it has like about 30 hours of lifespan of pretty much the usage of how much time you use these headphones. And that's the USB port right here, and then right here is also the audio jack that you could use to pretty much connect it to however you want it as well too. It comes with that as well too, the audio jack. And I would definitely recommend these headphones. The quality of it is really amazing. When you wear these headphones on, it pretty much has like a noise cancellation where it pretty much blocks all of the noise that's going on, and it's very, like, it very fits to your ears, and it's super comfortable. I pretty much use this for workouts, for gym purposes, and you don't really like it doesn't you pretty much you don't really sweat into it at all either. So it is super breathable and very comfortable, and you can use this to pretty much listen to music, pretty much listen to your audio, and pretty much do however you want to use it for. The quality of it is very good as well too. I do want to mention that the quality, like, it has a very good bass as well to it. You could adjust the volume as well too, which is something I like as well too. Right from here, you can see it also has the volume up and the volume down button, and it's right over here, the volume up and volume down. And oh yeah, right over here it has it right there. And the on and off button is like right over here, so you turn it on and off like right here. And your USB port is right over here to charge your headphones up as well too. And the audio jack comes with right over here, so it's really, very simple design. I absolutely love these E7 noise cancellation headphones, and I would definitely recommend it if you are looking for a replacement headphones or a new set of headphones. And the E7 noise cancellation headphones would definitely be one of the best headphones out there, and I overall would definitely recommend it if you are looking for a noise cancellation headphones. And these are probably one of the best headphones to get.